Let's learn how to create better YouTube video titles that'll help you rank and get more views. And if this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe, click the bell to get the key to YouTube success.
Let me give you a major key.
Hi, my name is Anthony Ambriz, and Nick Nimmin couldn't get enough of this channel, so he became a subscriber, and so should you. If this is your first time watching me on YouTube, comment below, first time. Writing a good video title can be tricky. You want it to stand out. You want it to be catchy, but you also want to please the YouTube algorithm. And catchy, fun, and cool titles don't always do that. So let me show you how to make great video titles for your YouTube videos with these YouTube video title tips. Tip number 1, before you create your video or your thumbnail, have a title in mind. It doesn't have to be the finalized title. In the industry, we call this the working title. The reason for this is that you want your title to act as a guide to help you understand what your content is going to be about. Oftentimes as creators, we get these fun, creative ideas for videos, but we have no direction or purpose for creating them. Listen, even fun videos have a purpose, and that purpose should be directed by your title. Now get ready to have your mind blown. Tip numero 2. Now for this, I recommend a free tool known as vidIQ. Link in the description. This tool will help you discover if the topic or subject you want your video to be about has a chance of ranking in YouTube search. I'll be doing a whole video on how I do my research, but for now I'm going to show you the quick and easy method of using the YouTube search bar and vidIQ. So think about what topic or subject you want your video to be about. So for example, I wanted to create a video about video titles. So I started typing in video titles, then YouTube video titles, and I started to see some suggestions. Then I would hit enter, and then I would start to see the results. Afterwards, I then looked at the competition score vidIQ showed me. Since my channel is brand new, I was aiming for a score below 30. So once I looked at the results and saw the competition score was below 30, I then chose that search term to be the first half of my video title. And now I know I have a better chance of ranking for that topic and will find favor with the YouTube algorithm. Tip number 3. The second half of your video title should persuade someone to click on it. This can be done by words that trigger emotion. For example, the word secret invokes mystery and curiosity. Or look at the title for this video. I use a comforting word like proven. And not only that, I also state a benefit to go with it. So you were made a promise that I hope to keep as you continue watching this video. And that promise is that you will learn YouTube video title tips that are proven to help you rank. Anthony, this seems a bit overwhelming and you haven't even blown my mind yet. You're right, I haven't because I didn't want to be held liable. Bonus tip. In the description below, there's a link that will take you to this site. You should have your research done and all you have to do is put the search term in the box and hit enter. The site will then generate hundreds of titles for you to choose from. Now looking at these titles or headlines, you can see how they can change how you talk about a topic in your video. This not only helps you have direction, but it helps you create more videos around this search term. And just like that, you've not only created an awesome title for your YouTube video, but you now have multiple video concepts ready to go. If that blew your mind, hit the like button. Recap. Before you create your video, have a working title. Do your research using the YouTube search bar and vidIQ. Put that search term in the generator and pick your favorite title. Now as a gift from me to you, I created a list of words that trigger emotion that you can use for your YouTube video titles. Link in the description, as always. Next week, I'm gonna be talking about how to increase your engagement in your videos. Subscribe and click the bell if you haven't. If you have, I give you permission to watch another video. Just tell your boss or teacher that you're doing research.